In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade out on Soundtrap. A fade out is a simple but powerful way to make your song or podcast end smoothly. Instead of an abrupt cutoff, the sound gently lowers to silence, which feels more professional and musical. We'll walk through getting into Soundtrap and applying a clean fade at the end of your track using the built-in handle. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Soundtrap's website for music makers. On the homepage, look toward the top right and click Log In. When the sign-in options appear, choose Log In with Google. Select your Google account to continue. If you're already signed in, you may jump right into your Soundtrap dashboard automatically, which is totally fine. Once you're on your home screen, click Studio. This opens the main editor where your tracks live. You'll see lanes for each instrument or vocal, and rectangular clips representing audio or MIDI regions arranged along the timeline. Next, go to the end of the track you want to fade out. You can navigate along the timeline until you're viewing the final clip where you want the fade to happen. It's helpful to identify the specific clip that ends last in your arrangement, since the fade is applied to a clip rather than the entire track at once. On that final clip, look for a small white circle or handle on the top right corner. This is Soundtrap's fade control. Click and hold that handle, then drag it toward the center of the clip. As you drag left, you'll see a diagonal shape appear across the end of the clip. That visual shows the length and slope of the fade. A longer drag creates a longer, smoother fade out, while a shorter drag makes a quicker, tighter fade. Release the mouse when the fade looks right for your project. You can always adjust it again by grabbing the same handle and moving it to fine-tune the timing. This adjustment is non-destructive, so you're not permanently changing your original recording. You're simply telling Soundtrap how to reduce the volume over the end of that clip. A few quick tips as you finish up. Apply the fade to the clip that actually plays last in your song or episode so everything ends together. If you have multiple elements ending at different times, match their fades so the overall outro feels cohesive. And remember, subtlety often sounds more natural. Let the fade breathe just enough to feel intentional. That's all you need to create a professional fade out in Soundtrap. Thanks for watching and happy creating.